been a while, honestly. Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's been a crazy couple months, but I'm up at my grandparents' for the weekend. It's August now, which is crazy. Summer is quickly ending. And it's like the first time I feel like I've been able to really take a breath this summer. So this is so nice. I'm planning to recharge and relax and see a couple friends, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just going to be a relaxing, fun weekend upstate. Okay, so I guess I can give a little life update since the last time I spoke. My grandparents live upstate New York where I grew up, and it's right outside of the freeway, or the thruway as they call it, interstate. So it can be kind of loud sometimes. Obviously nothing like Manhattan loud, but different kind of loud. Anyways, so I got a job promotion at work a few weeks ago, and I started doing that. So now I'm a manager at work, which is great. It just means I have a lot less free time now. So I feel like my vlogging is probably going to go down to like uploads probably once a month, and it has slowed down a lot already just because life has really gotten lifing. So yeah, I'm starting a new position and I have a little team, and then nonprofit stuff is kind of ramping up, and Dean's traveling a lot and he's my editor, so it's just a lot slower upload, so I apologize for that. But I'm doing pretty well. A couple weeks ago got a really terrible migraine attack, and it's kind of overtaken everything. And I think I'm just now finally realizing that it's a terrible sinus infection that has affected my whole body. So I started my antibiotics yesterday, and I'm already feeling so much better, which is just crazy how something so small as like your nasal cavity could cause weeks of debilitation in the rest of your body. And the reason I didn't realize it, because I've had so many sinus infections in the past, is because like I don't feel that my nose is that stuffy, and I don't have like a sore throat or anything like that, but literally my teeth and my gums are swollen and pulsing, and everything, and my jaw, like they think I have TMJ, or they thought I had TMJ, but I really just think it's my sinuses affecting all of my muscles and my head and my neck. So, hoping to start feeling better soon. I'm really looking forward to this weekend of just relaxing, not really being on my phone, enjoying nature, going on a lot of long walks. My chiropractor asked me to not exercise for a week. That was on Thursday, so today's Saturday. So that's been hard mentally because it does help me a lot. It's just a form of therapy, honestly. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna sit out for a little bit longer and then probably go inside and, I don't know, maybe read a book. Actually, I forgot a book. Journal? I don't know. It's just so pretty. because I'm trying to close my rings and I can't really exercise, and I'm not really eating any less. So, yeah, trying to close my rings. I'm almost at 10,000 steps, which is good. And I did 2.5 miles earlier with my grandma. She didn't want to be on camera, so I'm out here on this little country road, and it's really nice out. I'm so tired, and I want to take a shower and just chill the rest of the night. But yeah, let's look at the beautiful countryside together. Side note, I feel like I kind of stick out like a sore thumb here in St. Johnsville, New York, with my jewelry and tennis dress and, the fellow farmers of America. So we went to get ice cream halfway through our walk, and I just felt so out of place. But it's been nice to be back where I grew up. I try to come a couple times a year. But every time I come back, I just feel so like, whoa, culture shock again. So it's been nice though. I'm bummed. Usually these pastures are full of dairy cows, and it's just corn. Like, where the F are the cows? I'm so confused. Like, literally as far as the eye can see, corn. I don't get it. I think it's time to turn around now. I'm going to go back to St. Johnsville. I grew up in Fort Plain. Oh, ish. I grew up outside of Fort Plain. This is the most upstate New York sign you'll ever see. It's so nice to be in fresh air with the bugs. It smells like dirt and manure and childhood summer. Oh my god, this is so awkward. This car right there that's backing up right now just passed me and turned around. She can't be mad at her. She turns back around and comes back to me. She goes, "Excuse me, are you okay? Do you need help?" I'm like, "No, I'm just walking." And she's like, "Oh, okay. I just want to make sure. Sorry, like, just want to make sure." I'm like, "No, I'm okay. I'm just walking." Like, no one here walks. So if you see somebody walking on a country road at nighttime, you got to be worried about them. But I do look like I'm like exercising, right? I don't know. That was funny. I'm like glad that she checked on me in case something was wrong. But also it's kind of funny. Okay, bye. Hi, kitty. Come here. Meow. Thomasina. Come here. Hi. Come here. You want pets? Want some pets? Come here. Come here. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Ah, stupid car. Good morning. Cobweb. I'm ready for some coffee. I'm waiting for Karis to pick me up. We're gonna go have a little day in Utica. So I just finished packing up my stuff at my grandma's. It's been really nice. I had a great day with her yesterday. Got to go on a long walk. We got ice cream. We sat out front here at these little chairs and just chatted for like hours. It was really nice. But yeah, waiting for Kara. She should be almost here. And then we're gonna head to Utica and get some coffee and do all the fun things. So let's go. What do you mean are these? They're staring at you.
Oh, really? You have more than... Okay, that's fake. That's fake. That looks fake. Okay.
Wait, what do you mean they're fake? Why would they?
These are fake.
Why? For what?
Because sometimes chickens will like peck at their eggs.
Oh, jeez. So wholesome. I'm having the most wholesome weekend of my life.